Yo guys, back once again with another video here today, and this is very different. I'm going to be doing a BMX build time-lapse video. Basically I've got two frames here, and I'm going to be time-lapsing them both. I was going to do it in first person, as you can see right now, but the audio on the GoPro isn't that great. I haven't got a microphone for the GoPro, so I'm just showing off the frame that I'm going to be putting on. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, see you guys at the end.
So far so good. We've got both of these bolts now. These are both rounded bolts. The real problem normally is the middle bolt, which came out absolutely fine, which is nice. I don't know what to have it tighten at. I don't normally build right up. And then this should slide off. There we go. Here's my bars setup. I've got a shallow vulture bars. These are like 9 rides. These are really high bars, and top off with a social top load stem. I'm after a new stem, but this one will do for now. I'm probably going to get a new stem eventually, but I need to find somewhere to pop this down. I'm going to pop it down here for a moment next to my spare tyres, my front wheel. The wrong way. I always get mixed up with the loosen and tightness of my wheels. If you guys are wondering, I'm not using the spanner side, I'm using the ratchet side. One of those combination. How am I going to do this? Probably not the best way to do this. Okay, so front wheel's loose. Might get a bit of riding in for you guys later on. Gonna quickly take the headset. Where can I pop all this stuff? I should have made a little bag or something to put on my head or something, like while I'm doing this. You see, yeah. Look at that tasty grease that has got my. I know everyone's going to be looking at this video and being like, "Why did you take off your front wheel from your forks?" It's a good answer to that. I wanted to build it all properly. So these are my forks. These are standard Harrow forks. My bike actually started off as a Harrow Midway. And no, I didn't have some fancy bicycle. I bought all this stuff actually. So yeah, that's what my bike started off as. I'm going to quickly take out this. And stuck in it. Oh, that is greasy. Then again, you want a greasy headset. I'm probably going to clean that off. Bear with me guys, I'm just going to go get some rag and I'll be back. See, my initial plan was to do a whole video of in first person building my bike up, but then I checked back the audio and the audio is really fuzzy, as you can probably tell right now, so I'm just going to do a time lapse and show you guys what it looks like at the end. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the time lapse.
yeah, there it is, guys. I've managed to build it up. The only issue I did have, as you probably would see, is when I was putting on the back wheel. It is straight though. Well, I got it as straight as I could, as you can see in there. Chains all nice and tight, ready to go. The only thing I would probably change if I could is these rounded bolts just here. I've got some, and my rounded top cap. But apart from that, guys, yeah, it was a pretty decent build. I'm not gonna lie, pretty decent. So yeah, without further ado, thanks for watching. I'm gonna pop my videos up on my channel, probably in the middle of my nose, because I've seen it where the camera is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Something a little bit different. I'm gonna do a lot more outside vlog type videos, BMX videos, because I want to go a bit away from the gaming videos. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to leave a like and a sub, and I'll see you guys in the